Today we're going to work on this Acura MDX. Looks like the problem is that the wire harness on this door has a broken wire. This one right here has a broken wire within it that is not allowing the windows to roll up and down from the driver's side. So we're going to replace that wire harness as a result. So I've got the key on, and as you can see, it's not working right there, although it does work on the passenger side. It does not work on the driver's side. So I believe it's also the problem with the mirror here. Yeah, it doesn't work when I do that. So the wire in there seems to be the problem. Alright, so the first thing to do is to pull off this boot here. Once you get that off, then you got to pull the clip off. Okay, so got that off there. And then to pull off this actual clip, and I'll show you specifically which wire is missing. I've got a picture of it. I'll show you that in just a moment. But to take off the clip, you just push that little button down on the top of it and you pull it on out. I do that. Okay, I got the button pushed, and then you just pull the clip right on out of there. There's a bunch of grease in there to keep it waterproof. And the next thing I have to do is pull this here out. And up on the top, push that in, out of the way. Up on the top here are a few clips. So these two green clips right here, 1 and 2, those need to come out so that I can pull the wire harness out. There's those two clips. It was relatively easy. You just hit the tabs on the bottom and pull them out. And next I need to remove this here grommet thing and then pull the whole harness out. Alright, you can see where I just popped that off. I just hit that little clip and pull that out. So now I should be able to just kind of remove these from the inside there. Oh, and before I can do that, there is a little clip holding the wires in place. There is a little clip right up in there. I'll show you the clip, but it just slides into the plastic, so I just have to pry it out. Give myself a little more space. I think I'm going to take off this little piece right here, and then I have to pull this back and then pop this up to give myself access to remove this panel piece, trim piece. Alright, there you go. You might be able to see the wire piece now. Right there on my finger. Just unplugged it from the little hole that it goes into, and now I should be able to remove the entire wire clips. So let me do that. And after jostling it left and right, up and down, feeding it from the inside, I'm able to remove the wire from the inside. It's right on the edge there. There we go, there's one of the clips, there's the other clip. Okay, now that I've got the clip out, you can see that's the wire that was broken in there. So it was kind of shoved in there, so every once in a while it would work, other times it wouldn't work. So went ahead and bought the new wire harness, so we're going to open that up and put it back in, just reverse order. Don't imagine it's going to be super easy to get these to go in there exactly the way I want them to, but we'll give it the effort. Got the clips in pretty easily. There's that piece that buttons in, so feed that in. Then I'll have to push that into place and push this into place in the door there, and then I'll have to plug in those clips up in here. So let me see if I can find those and get those plugged in. So I've got this in place right here and this in place here. Hold it through. Right here is the little clip that I put up onto the top there, that little hole, and then the clips go in right there fairly simply. Just push them into place, 1 and 2. Yep, done. Let me push this into its little hole, and then I'll put these back together, shove that into the right position, and show you the finished product. Fairly simple. You just push down on this bottom left corner and this top right corner, and that seals. And then with this one here, you just push on the top one and then on the bottom, and that gets sealed up. So now the plan is that I put the key in and I am able to use the driver's side window. And how about the mirror? Oh, mirror works too. Look at that. Done. Alright, well, I hope you got some help out of this. Like and subscribe if you want to see some more projects on people's cars and my own van. Have a good day.